based on the dates, and I'll show you one of the contacts which have been registered on the system. So right now you can see after the registering to the event, the contact gets plenty of emails, and these all have been handled through the automation. There is no manual follow-ups or the emails which need to be sent out to the contact. So and then the contact gets active on the workflows from where these emails are getting out to the contact. And let's say if we have registered a contact on a training event date, let's say date A, and if you want to change the date of the contact, we can do so with the help of the custom fields which we have created in the system. So this also helps to omit the manual process. We just have to select the date in here and hit on save, which on the backend runs automations, and then the contacts get updated automatically. So this is one of the process, and once the contact gets their training done, and they are getting the courses access or the SRC access which we have created on the GoHighLevel as well. So I'll show you how it looks. So this is about the specialist resource community, the community which we have created on the GoHighLevel. And once I log in here, so this is how the community looks like, and there are plenty of courses whose access get granted to the contacts as well. So these are the courses in here, and their access, and the contacts can access them from here, and the required information which is being updated on the community, they can access it from the community as well. And also we have set up a pipeline for their support tickets. So let's say if a contact them on their support email ID, so we have created a Zapier, or we have set up a Zapier integration for that. Let's say if their support ID is getting an email from the contact for any query, through this Zapier integration, the contacts get updated onto the support pipeline, onto the new stages. From here, their team can easily access the opportunities for the contacts, and then do the needful things for them. And we have also a lot of automations going on the backends which handle all of these tasks, like starting from the support tickets, and giving access to the contacts, be it for the community access, be it for the course access. Everything has been handled through in here. And the subscriptions also being handled through the automations in here. We have also integrated we have also created the subscriptions plan for their contacts, and those are being updated annually through the automations. And if some contacts fail to renew their subscription, their access from this specialist resource community or their community gets revoked, so that they cannot be able to have access to this community and the courses as well. So this is the quick overview of the account for one of our clients, and we'll see you on some other quick overview videos like this. Thanks.